Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the page replacement algorithm and I'm in group 20, so let's start. I will use this page reference string, do it in three methods, that is first in first out, least recently used and optimal. What is first in first out? That is replace the page that has been in memory the longest, so the oldest one will be the victim. So let's see the table, and the first one is 0, the table is blank, so it will be the first victim, and I will put a plot. It will make me more easier to mention that. So the 2 will be the second victim, and I also will put a plot. And the 4 also will be the third victim, and put a plot. And the 2 already inside the table, so no one will be the victim. And next is 1. 1 doesn't in the table, so 1 will be the fourth victim. So next one is 0. 0 already in the table, so no one will be the victim. And next one is 3. 3 is not included in the table, so we will choose the first is 0. So 0 will be the victim and turn to 3. And the plot will also move to the 3. Next one is 2. 2 already included the table, so no victim. Next one is 5. 5 doesn't include in the table, so the oldest one is 2. So 2 will be the victim and change to 5. So plot will move also. And then is 1. 1 already include the table, so the 1 will be the victim. And next one is 2. 2 doesn't include in the table. The other one is 4. So 4 will be the victim, change to 2, and the plot will move. And last one is 0. Also doesn't contain in the table. The 0 will choose the oldest one is 1. So 1 will turn to the 0. We will got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 page faults. And then is least recently used. That means we need to replace the page that was least recently used. So let's see the table. The same, the first one will be the victim, and the second one also will be the victim. And the third one is 4, will be the third victim. And the next is 2. No one will be the victim, but it's different because it's LRU. We need to change the number to the newest one. So the plot will change to the newest one. And then is 1. 1 doesn't contain the table, so we'll the blank and become the fourth victim. And then is 0. 0 already contained, so no victim, but the 0 will change to the newest one. Next one is 3. 3 doesn't contain the table, so we need to choose 4. So 4 will change to the 3 and move the plot. And then is 2. 2 already contain the table, so no victim, but the 2 will move to the newest one. And then is 5. 5 doesn't contain the table, so we'll choose the least one is 1. So 1 will become the victim and turn to 5 and move the plot. And then is 1. 1 doesn't contain the table, so we need to choose the least one is 0. So 0 will turn to 1 and move the plot. And then is 2. 2 already contains the table, no victim, but the 2 will change to the newest one. And the last one is 0. 0 no conclude, so we need to choose who is 3. So 3 will be the victim and turn to 0. So we will got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will got 8 page faults. So we go to the last one is optimal. Also can use at Beladi's optimal. And that means is we need to replace the page that will not be used for the longest time in the future. So let's see the table. It's the same. 0 will be the first victim, And this 2 will be the second victim, and the 4 will be the third victim. And the next is 2. 2 is already included, so no one will be the victim. And next one is 1, not in table, so we need to plot it. And then it's 0. 0 already included, so no victim. And next one is 3. So 3 we need to choose who is not used in future. 4. 4 is not used in the future, so 4 will be the victim. And change to 3. And move the plot. 2. It already got in the table, so no victim. And next is 5. 5 not included in the table, so we need to choose the 0 in the table. And the 2 is in use. The 1 also in use, so we got only one chance, that is 3. So 3 will be the victim and change to 5. And the plot will also move to the 5. And that is 1. 1 already conclude, so no victim. And the 2 also already got, so no one will be the victim. And the last one, 0, also got it, so no victim. So we will got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 page paths. Thank you for watching. That's my part. Thanks all.